Hello, and welcome to Guardian PM. My name is Nick. We've been working on building battery analysis equipment and software development for a little while now, and we now have a solid working system. It consists of a PLC that opens and closes contactors, isolating both positive paths of the load and the supply systems, as well as a resistor block to bleed battery voltage to prevent any arcing in higher voltage applications while attaching the battery or switching the contactors. This particular system is really only rated for about 30 volts or so. It's just a prototype demo unit. We can swap out components like the power supply and load component hardware for much tighter tolerances as well as higher voltage and current ranges. The system includes a data queue, which is high-speed data acquisition device. That's where all of our measurements come from. It tracks the voltage, monitors two thermocouples, and most critically, measures current. Current is measured through a shunt and several layers of custom designed filters. After that, everything is handled by the software, which was also custom designed in-house. And that's what you're seeing here. We're going to quickly go over the layout. Here's where you would load a program. This is your program editor for building and modifying programs. And this is where you would start and stop a program. Next is the status box. This includes an amp hour gauge and a totalizer that tracks amp hours, moves positive and negative throughout the program. We also get amp hours per stage, which is nice to see what's happening at each stage. You also see run status, which shows current condition of the system. Then there's the phase indicator. We'll get into this more when there's actually a program running, but it describes the current phase of the program, whether it's charging, discharging, and what phase is next, and some of its parameters. Admin functions, we're not going to get into those right now. Same with settings and run review. We'll cover those in later videos. Sliders are great features. We don't have anything loaded right now, so nothing is displayed. But these sliders will allow you to view voltage, current, and temperature at any point along the timeline. That brings us to the graph. This will be a live graph, live active graph when program is running. It displays voltage, current, and temperature. Both temperature probes will appear here. At the very top, we have a bar that shows much of the same data in numerical form. We have thermocouples 1 and 2, which can display live data, maximums or minimums. I currently have them set as independent because thermocouple 2 is just hanging in free air and not measuring the battery's temperature. If both are placed on the battery, they will work together and tighten temperature tolerances and can trigger alarm if there's an issue, like if the temperature drifts too far apart. We also have digital voltage gauges, digital current readings, and a session timer. In the next video, we will discuss how the program is built. Thank you, and follow for more.